everyone, it's Michelle, and I'm so excited to be here today to talk about my brand new book, From Zero to Prepared, A Senior's Guide to Budget Prepping. This is my first book, and I cannot express how thrilled I am to have it finally published. So let me tell you a little bit about my book, From Zero to Prepared. It's a guide for seniors who want to get started prepping on a budget. So it's not a comprehensive guide, it's a get started guide. And as someone over 50 myself, I understand how challenging it can be to prep for emergencies and unexpected situations, especially when you're on a fixed income. So that's why I wrote the book, to share kind of my personal experience and knowledge with you. So From Zero to Prepared, you'll learn everything you need to know about prepping on a budget. So I cover a wide range of topics, including how to create a realistic emergency plan, what supplies to stock up on, and how to stretch your dollars when buying preparedness gear or prepping gear. I also provide practical tips and advice for staying safe and comfortable during an emergency, and also a section for your pets. So I've always been interested in prepping, but it wasn't until I faced my own emergency situation that I realized how important it is to be prepared. So a few years ago, we experienced a major power outage that lasted for several days. I was completely unprepared. I didn't have enough food, water, or backup power to get me through the outage. It was a wake-up call for me, and I knew I had to start taking my prepping seriously. So that's why I wrote From Zero to Prepared, because I want to help seniors like me feel more confident and secure in their ability to handle emergencies no matter what life throws your way. So if you're interested in prepping, don't know where to start, check out my book, From Zero to Prepared, A Senior's Guide for Emergency Prepping. I will include a link to where you can purchase my book on Amazon. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you can get this for free. Thanks for watching. If you want to, please subscribe and click like, and I will be sharing more reviews and things like that on this channel as I start to really figure out what I'm doing on YouTube. So thanks again. I hope you check out my book, From Zero to Prepared, A Senior's Guide to Budget Prepping.